Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, it's Easter, and with Easter comes the Easter Bunny. Have you been busy doing some decorations and coloring some eggs? Here's a little song we can sing today. Easter Bunny, hop, 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 make your ears go flop, flop, flop. Hide your colored eggs around in the grass and on the ground. Easter Bunny, hop, 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 make your ears go flop, flop, flop. And today we're going to do a quick Easter Bunny hat so you can pretend to be an Easter Bunny. And then you can come to the library and get this kit to make your hat. So we need to take our ears and put some pink on there, the inside of the ears. And I'm using my glue stick, but you can of course use any kind of glue you have at home. I've taken two pieces and glued them together. We'll just quickly put these ears on. Put the other one on. And now what do we need? We need some eyes for our bunny. One eye, two eyes, and we need one more special thing for our bunny right in the middle. Let's put a bunny nose. And that's a very simple craft that you can make at home today to pretend to be a bunny. So come on into the library and pick up a kit if you'd like to have one today. And we'll see you soon. Goodbye.